everybody, my name is Jessica Almeida. I am a librarian here at UMass Law. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Westlaw Legal Directory and Westlaw Profiler. So to start, I am on the UMass Law Library website. You want to scroll all the way down under Quick Links and go into Westlaw Precision. Once you've logged on, you just want to continue to go to Westlaw Precision. Notice that I'm under the Content Types tab, and we are going to go to the directories under Specialty Areas. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing maybe 2 or 3 searches. The first one I'm going to do in West Legal Directory, and then we'll go into the Attorney and Judges Profiler. So first I'm going to click on West Legal Directory. Okay, and from here, you can check the scope note, which is right here where the I for information, and it will tell you that it has 1 million profiles of law firms and branch offices in all 50 states. It's broken down by practice areas and states. Okay, so for instance, if you are interested in maybe learning about attorneys or firms in the entertainment and sports area, you can click on entertainment and sports, and then you can, if you have a first or last name, maybe you have an organization that you know of or a specific city that you would like to do an internship or look for a job in. But for today, I'm just going to use state, and let's say I would like a job in Nevada. So as I click it, it already created an advanced search up here in my search box. I'm going to hit the search button. And so I have 36 results. Let's take a look at some of the facets so we can narrow down our search. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see the profile type. So there are 21 attorneys in the directory, and there are 15 law firms. You might want to look by location. So where in Nevada are they? There's 8 in Clark County, Las Vegas. There's 1 in Henderson, 20 in Las Vegas, 2 in Reno. So you could click on those in order to narrow your search. You can also do it by firm size. So there are 14 solo practitioners, 16 firms that have 2 to 10 attorneys, and then 1 firm that has 51 to 100, and then 1 that has over 500 attorneys. So those are some of the ways that you can narrow your search. So I am going to do, let's see. I'm going to look at the 21 attorneys, and I'm going to narrow it by location. Let's say Las Vegas. And then I need to apply. So all the way at the bottom, you see this blue apply button. We need to apply those so that it will narrow. Okay, so that brings us to 12. Let's take a look at what kind of information you can find. So the first attorney in the list is Christopher Keller. So it tells what organization he is with. It also tells us his mailing address. It has his email address, the website, the size firm that he works for, and then it tells his different areas of practice. So not only does he practice in entertainment law, but he also does insurance defense and internet-related law. Okay, so that is West Legal Directory. Let's go back, and now we are going to take a look at the profiler. So under Westlaw Profiler, you can do all professionals, but today we're going to do attorneys and judges. Once again, it has this really nice form that you can fill out if you have this information. You can also do a state. Let's do Let's do the District of Columbia, and we'll do international law. So notice as I pick the state and click on international law, it fills out the search bar for me. So now all I have to do is hit the search icon. So that gave us 643 results, which is just way too many. So once again, we're going to go into our facets and narrow our search. You can search within the results. Once again, you have your profile type. You can do attorneys or you can do law firms. This time I'm going to do law firms. Let's see. We can do locations. We can narrow it a little bit by location. Let's do the Washington County. There we go. Let's see. We could also do firm size. Let's say you want a mid-size firm. And then once again, you go down to the bottom and hit the blue apply button. And let's see what our results are. So that brought it down to 3. So we have the Natural Resources Defense Council, the U.S. Army Judge Advocate General Office, and Stas and Hasley LLP. Let's take a look at that. So it gives their contact information, a place to email, their websites, looks like their Facebook and their Twitter account, gives their affiliates. So these are the folks that work there. English is their primary language. Their firm size is between 26 to 50 attorneys. And here are some of the practice categories that this particular law firm works in. So copyright, so trademarks, international law, which is what we were looking for. And it looks like computer law, unfair competition, administrative agencies. So they do a bunch of different things. Okay, so we're going to do one more search. I'm going to go back to Precision, back into directories, and back into the Westlaw Profiler. I'm going to click on Attorney and Judges. This time I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to choose Massachusetts. I'm not going to choose a subject, but instead down here in key search terms, I'm going to put University of Massachusetts. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for University of Massachusetts alums that are attorneys. So once again, it filled out our search. Criteria is up here in the search bar. We're going to click on the search icon and see what our results are. So it came up with over 1,000 results. Let's look at profile type. Now this one has judges. So I'm going to click on judges. Maybe I want a clerk for somebody. All right, let's see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that and get it down to the 65 because that's going to change my facets. Okay, so now we have 65. And now I'm going to do location. And maybe I want to stay in Bristol County. So I'm going to click on Bristol County and apply again. And this gets me down to 4 judges who, as we look at their profiles, work in the Taunton Division. This particular judge works in the Taunton Division, has the website, the phone, the fax, Education Northeastern. And this particular judge got their BA at the University of Massachusetts in 1989. So they're an alum. Let's take a look at the next one. This is Judge Souza, who works in the juvenile department, in the juvenile court. There's the email address, the website. So went to Roger Williams School of Law, but also went to UMass Dartmouth in 1996. It gives the judges past positions. So that's just some of the ways that you can use Westlaw Profiler and Westlaw Legal Directory to help you find internships, find jobs. If you have any questions about this or really anything to do with doing research on judges, lawyers, law firms, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us at lawlib@umassd.edu. Thanks.